In this video, we'll go over ontology. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, ontology to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is ontology? Ontology is a project designed to bring trust, privacy, and security to Web3 through decentralized identity and data solutions. It is building the infrastructure to provide trusted access to Web3, allowing individuals and enterprises to rest assured that through regulatory compliant digital identity solutions, users and their privacy come first. The ontology blockchain is a high-speed, low-cost public blockchain. It is designed to bring decentralized identity and data solutions to Web3 with the goal of increasing privacy, transparency, and trust. To achieve this, users and enterprises are provided with the flexibility to build blockchain-based solutions that suit their needs, while also ensuring regulatory compliance. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Ontology offers a variety of real-life use cases and allows businesses to build their own blockchain on top of the ontology blockchain. This provides businesses and enterprises with more flexibility, enabling them to create customized blockchains to fit their specific needs. The ontology chain is designed with interoperability in mind. The network currently supports 3 virtual machines, helping to break down barriers to development and provide a familiar environment for those wanting to build with ontology. This is the baseline infrastructure to enable easy, cross-chain building for Web3. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 66 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.